If you've been looking for a washer-dryer combo that promises a big capacity, smart features and a modern design, you've probably come across the Mijia front-load washer-dryer 10.5 kg. I've spent some time looking into what it offers, and here's my take on whether it's actually worth considering. The first thing that stands out is the 10.5 kilogram washing capacity. That's more than enough for most families, and it also handles bulky items like blankets, comforters and towels without feeling overloaded. If you're constantly doing multiple loads every week, having that extra capacity can save a lot of time. Design-wise, Mijia has kept things simple and clean. It has a modern look with a large front door and a minimalist control panel that doesn't feel cluttered. It should fit nicely into most laundry rooms without looking outdated. Performance is where this machine makes a good impression. It offers multiple wash programs for different fabric types, so whether you're washing everyday clothes, delicate items, or heavily soiled laundry, there's usually a setting that matches. The wash quality is consistently solid, and clothes come out feeling clean without being overly rough on fabrics. Now let's talk about the dryer. As with many washer-dryer combos, drying takes longer than using a dedicated tumble dryer. However, for people who don't have space for two separate machines, it's a practical trade-off. Clothes generally come out dry enough to fold or hang straight into the wardrobe, especially if you avoid overloading the drum. One feature I really like is the smart connectivity. Through the companion app, you can start or monitor wash cycles remotely, receive notifications when a load is finished, and even access additional wash programs. If you're already using other smart home devices, this fits in quite nicely. Another plus is the inverter motor. These motors tend to run quieter than traditional motors while also being more energy efficient. During washing and spinning, the noise level stays fairly reasonable, making it less disruptive if your laundry area is close to living spaces. The machine also includes high-temperature wash options that can help remove bacteria and allergens, which is useful for families with children, allergy sufferers, or anyone who likes giving bedding and towels a more hygienic clean. Of course, no product is perfect. One downside is that the drying cycle can feel quite lengthy, especially with larger loads. That's fairly common with combination machines, but it's still something to keep in mind if you're often in a hurry. Another consideration is the smart app experience. While it's useful, some features may vary depending on your region, and initial setup might take a little patience if you're new to smart appliances. As for value, I think the Mijia front-load washer-dryer 10.5 kg offers a strong balance between features, performance, and price. You get a large capacity washer, built-in dryer, smart controls, quiet operation, and an attractive design without paying the premium prices associated with some bigger brands. So, would I recommend it? If you need a space-saving all-in-one laundry solution and you're comfortable with slightly longer drying times, then yes, I think it's a very solid option. It delivers good cleaning performance, useful smart features, and enough capacity for most households. If, however, fast drying is your top priority, you may still be better off with separate washing and drying machines. Overall, I'd give the Mijia front-load washer-dryer 10.5 kg a strong 8.8 out of 10. It's stylish, practical, packed with useful features, and offers great value for the money. It's not perfect, but for many homes, it gets the job done really well.